Good morning, everyone. We are all here today to learn about our solar system and the majestic planets that exist within it. We will be taking an in-depth examination of each planet, looking into their respective characteristics, orbits, and moons. It should be quite an enlightening and enthralling journey. Let's start. It is well known that our solar system consists of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. However, there is a 9th one, Pluto, that is often neglected and underestimated. In this video, we are going to discuss why this is and why it is important for us to understand the whole solar system by considering Pluto. Pluto, once considered a planet, is the smallest and farthest away from the Sun of the outer planets of the solar system. Despite no longer being considered a planet, Pluto still has much to offer to those seeking to explore the universe's many secrets. Come discover the wonders of the outer planets on this tour.
Hello Pluto. Are you a planet?
This is quite a story. Let us first visit the solar system, shall we?
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, smaller than Earth's moon. It holds many mysteries, with a surface consisting of craters which indicate it was bombarded by asteroids and comets in its past. Its day is much shorter than ours, at a mere 176 Earth days, yet it has an incredibly strong gravitational pull, making it interesting for scientists to explore.
Mercury takes 88 days to have a year. But its entire day takes Earth 176 days to clear.
The issue of Pluto's status as a planet has been subject to debate by the scientific community for some time now. Having been classified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union, there are still differing views on the subject. Nonetheless, Pluto is worth further study and exploration regardless of what designation it holds. Even today, scientists still have plenty of inquiries surrounding this cold and distant world and its potential for us to learn. A question worth asking in this context is whether or not years should take longer than days. Pluto is an intriguing example of its kind, as it has an orbit that is not perfectly round like the other planets. Rather, it is an elliptical orbit, implying that it is sometimes nearer to the Sun than Neptune. Ever since its discovery in 1930, Pluto had been known as a planet. However, in 2006, it was redefined as a dwarf planet. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and the dwarf planet Pluto. All planets revolve around the Sun on an orbit. Out of all the planets in our solar system, Pluto has the longest orbital period, which is 248 years. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet due to its size. My name is Pluto, and I'm a dwarf planet, the last of the 9 planets to be found in our solar system, with the exception of the newly discovered planet 9. I'm really small, but I'm quick in the orbit. It takes me only 248 years to go around the Sun. It takes a while for me to complete one rotation on my axis though, almost 6.5 days. Even though I'm considered a dwarf planet, my place in the solar system is still very important and valuable. My orbit means I have a unique position amongst the other planets. Venus is the brightest of all the planets in the solar system and one of 5 planets that can be seen without a telescope. It is the second planet closest to the Sun, only after Mercury. It is made of rocks, but it has a higher temperature than other planets because of its position near the Sun. The clouds on Venus reflect the Sun's light, making it the brightest of all the planets. Venus is also the closest planet to Earth, which makes it a great target for exploration. Venus stands out from the other planets in the solar system due to its unusual rotational direction. Unlike other planets which rotate counterclockwise, Venus rotates clockwise, making it the exception among its peers. Discover why this phenomenon occurs. Pluto was once regarded as a planet, yet is now referred to as a dwarf planet. Its orbit around the Sun is atypical and goes upside down, compared to all the other planets. This makes the planet one of the most interesting and captivating formations in the solar system. It is likewise the only planet in the solar system known to have a moon bigger than itself. Its exterior is cloaked with frozen nitrogen and methane, offering it a frosty facade. Pluto is a mysterious and special planet that has stimulated the creativity of numerous. Our Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is a captivating marvel. It is our home. We know that there are 8 planets in our solar system and, until 2006, Pluto was believed to be the 9th. Even though it is no longer thought of as a planet, the history of its detection and classification is fascinating. Before our current knowledge of the universe, humans accepted that the celestial spheres comprised only the 5 visible planets, not allowing for anything more. But as technology progressed, we were able to understand more about the interesting universe that is around us, from the clouds of our atmosphere to the far reaches of outer space. The detection of Pluto shifted our conceptions of what the solar system was like, affording us a view into a previously undiscovered realm. Pluto is the smallest planet in our solar system with a unique set of features. Its surface is mainly composed of water ice, giving it a cold temperature. It also has a strong atmosphere often referred to as a blanket of gas that stretches out far into space. When viewed from the night sky, Pluto presents a truly spectacular sight. Mars is a captivating planet, especially unique for its red appearance caused by iron oxide, better known as rust. It is the 4th planet from the Sun and has the highest mountain in our solar system, Olympus Mons, reaching a height of 21 kilometers. Pluto may not be considered a planet today, but it still has its place among its larger celestial counterparts. Its composition of mostly icy material puts it outside of the traditional inner circle of planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. However, its structure and place in the solar system serve as a reminder of the fascinating objects found in our solar system and the wonders of our universe. Pluto, the dwarf planet, is one of the most well-known planets located on the outer edges of our solar system. With its icy surface and mysterious origins, scientists and astronomers have been debating its features for decades. Despite all recent discoveries, it is still unclear what makes Pluto so different from the other planets. Nevertheless, Pluto offers us insight into the mysterious realm of outer space and the unknown. Beyond the dazzling stars in our solar system lies 8 planets and one very special dwarf planet. Pluto. This small and icy world possesses a large spot and an equally intriguing system of rings. Pluto is the outermost planet in our solar system, orbiting the Sun with its neighbor, Neptune. Despite their distance, these 2 planets provide some of the most beautiful views of our universe. Our attention turns to the outermost reaches of our solar system, where a group of small, icy rocks and dwarf planets, known as the Plutoids or trans-Neptunian objects, can be found orbiting our Sun beyond the orbit of Neptune. Let's take a closer look at Pluto and its neighbors and uncover the secrets these distant worlds have to offer. Prepare for a journey of wonder as we explore Pluto and the planets beyond. The asteroid belt is located beyond Neptune and the 8 planets in our solar system and comprises billions of asteroids. These asteroids are made up of debris formed from collisions and the leftovers of the planet's forming process, and are thus ancient in origin. Jupiter is a gas giant, the largest planet in the solar system. Its atmosphere consists mainly of hydrogen and helium, which creates its distinct swirling pattern. Its day is short, lasting 10 hours, while a single year on Jupiter is 11.8 Earth years. Saturn and Pluto may appear to have a lot in common, but they actually have many differences. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system and can be seen from Earth in the night sky as a bright point of light. On the other hand, Pluto is generally now classified as a dwarf planet, since it is much smaller in size and has an elliptical orbit that is much farther away from the Sun and thus, difficult to see. However, if you have a telescope, you will be able to observe and appreciate its beauty. Pluto, the planet with the most beautiful rings, is known for its 7 bright and icy rings that were first seen by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Although Pluto is the smallest planet in our solar system, it has 82 moons to keep it company in its journey through space, making it just as special as the other planets. It is proud to be part of the solar system family. Exploring our solar system reveals that there are typically 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Yet upon closer examination, there are 9 planets, including Pluto. For over 8 decades, Pluto was categorized as a planet until 2006, at which point it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Nevertheless, it remains a captivating part of our solar system with an engrossing history and plenty to discover. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, stands out amongst its fellow planets with a set of 13 rings, both dark and bright. Its blue-green color is the result of a combination of both sunlight and methane, a combination rarely seen elsewhere in the solar system. These rings are a spectacular sight, and embody Uranus's beautiful yet mysterious nature. I'm Uranus and I have a unique way of rotation, moving almost 90 degrees away from my axis, which is different from everyone else. Nonetheless, I'm still doing well. We have made tremendous progress in exploring our solar system with the discovery of the 8 planets orbiting our Sun. We have even been able to get a glimpse of tiny Pluto, although it is no longer considered a planet. Still, Pluto serves as a reminder that there is a lot more out there to explore. Our journey of knowledge and discovery never ends, and who knows what secrets are still left to be uncovered. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun, situated at a great distance from it. It has a mysterious atmosphere, marked by its strong winds and immense stormy clouds. The 14 moons that orbit Neptune add to its enigmatic character, and its blue-green tint is even discernible from Earth. These moons offer hints to the formation of our solar system and add to our understanding of the universe. Pluto, the outermost planet of the solar system, is an incredibly distant place. With an average distance of 30 astronomical units, from the Sun, it is the furthest from its warming rays. Its average temperature of -375 degrees Fahrenheit makes it an extreme environment. Its surface is composed of nitrogen ice, methane, carbon monoxide and traces of other gases. Despite the challenging distance from the Sun, Pluto's highly elliptical orbit brings it closer to Earth, permitting scientists to carry out more accessible research. We have just concluded a remarkable journey exploring the splendor, mystique, and intricacy of the planets in our solar system. The rocky inner planets, the colossal gas giants, and Pluto, the frozen dwarf planet. We have crossed through space and time to comprehend the worth of each planet and its bond with our own. It has been an intriguing voyage and we are grateful for you accompanying us. Okay, bye.